Today we will walk through the process of creating a photo collage using PowerPoint. This guide will help you turn several individual images into a visually appealing collage suitable for your presentations. Begin by opening your PowerPoint program on your computer. It is important to have your PowerPoint application ready since all of the editing will take place within it. Once you have opened PowerPoint, navigate to the presentation where you would like to create your collage. This step ensures that you are working on the correct file and helps keep all your images and designs within one cohesive presentation. Having your presentation open makes it easy to insert new elements and adjust your layout as needed. Now that you are in your presentation, it is time to start adding your photos. Begin by locating the Insert tab at the top of your PowerPoint interface. This is where you can access a variety of features including pictures, shapes, and text boxes. The Insert tab is key for integrating multimedia content into your slide. After clicking on the Insert tab, look for the Picture option. This option allows you to bring images into your slide from different sources. Whether you have saved your photos on your computer or you prefer to fetch them from an online source, PowerPoint makes it simple to import your images. Choose the option labeled "This device" if you plan to add a photo stored on your computer, or select the online option if you prefer to search for a suitable image on the web. Once you have made your choice, proceed by browsing through your folders to locate the specific image you wish to upload. Once you have found it, upload the photo into your presentation slide. After the photo appears on your slide, you may need to adjust its size to fit the layout of your collage. To do this, click on any of the corner handles of the image and drag them either inward or outward. This simple resizing action ensures that your image maintains its quality while fitting in with the other elements on your slide. After resizing the image, the next step is to enhance its appearance with rounded corners. This small adjustment can add a more modern and polished look to your photo collage. To achieve this, look at the top right corner of the Picture Format tab and click on the Crop option. In the Crop menu, choose the option for Crop to Shape. From the shapes available, select the rectangle rounded corner shape. This action will immediately apply rounded edges to your image, giving it a softer, more refined appearance. With one image complete, return to the process of importing more pictures into your presentation. Continue by adding the rest of the photos you plan to include in your collage. Each time you add a new image, resize it accordingly by dragging the edges so that every photo is balanced in size. To further harmonize your collage, ensure that all your photos are aligned neatly along with one another. You may use PowerPoint's alignment tools to get them precisely in place if desired. Finally, apply the same rounded corner treatment to each of your newly imported images by repeating the crop process. Continue this arrangement and editing until you feel completely satisfied with the layout and overall appearance of your collage. Following these steps carefully will allow you to create a stunning photo collage that enhances your PowerPoint presentation, making your visuals more engaging and aesthetically pleasing.